Hey guys, I'm Caleb. This is going to be our second video. We're going to talk about normal maintenance on your car. Just very quick video on what you should look for, what you should, and what you should do. We're going to talk about the oil, checking your oil, all your fluids, and your brakes. That's probably going to be the main stuff, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, let's get right into it.
Hey guys, it's Eric. This part we're going to show you the basic things to check on your car to keep it running good. First thing, we want to come over to this section. Be advised, not everything that we show you in this car is going to be the same place that is in your car. Everything is in different places, but this is where it is on this car. First thing we have is washer fluid. Washer fluid is what helps you clean your windows when you're on the go. It is not the most important thing, but it is helpful to have in case your windshield is dirty and you don't have time to clean it. Next thing you want to go is to power steering. This is what helps you steer your car easily. If you don't have power steering, you're basically fighting against the steering wheel and it's really hard to make a turn. Right next to it, we have coolant. This is what supplies the coolant to your radiator. Then what the radiator does is help your engine keep cool. That way you can go for a long amount of time without having to damage your engine at all. Okay guys, this part we're going to be talking about the brake fluid. If you make your way over here, you will see on this back part is where you actually have the brake fluid stored. What it basically does is when you press in the brake, it shoots brake fluid into the hydraulic system, which compresses your brakes to actually help you stop. Next, we have, if your car is a manual, you'll have a clutch. You'll have clutch fluid right here. Basically, it does the same thing as the brakes, but instead it goes for your clutch. So when you press in the clutch, it helps you change gears smooth.
Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the engine oil. And earlier we showed you how to change your oil, which is a very easy thing to do at home. And basically every 2 to 3 weeks you're going to want to check your engine oil just to make sure it's all up to date. You're going to locate your dipstick. It'll say engine oil on it. You're going to go ahead and pull it out and wipe it off. Make sure it's all clean. And you'll see when you check it, right here, it shows you a little bar if it's high or low. And you're gonna dip it back in and see where the oil level reads. So we're gonna go in here, just put the dipstick right back in, push it in, and take it right out. You'll see right here, as you can see, we just did the oil change, so the oil is still high, and that means you're good. Once you start getting to the low mark, that's when you're gonna look at doing an oil change. We're just adding oil, and after about those are just main little things you can do on your car yourself to make sure everything's running good and that it's gonna be the best condition possible. If you see or feel anything that's concerning you, just take it to your local mechanic, have it checked out professionally. Unless you think you can do it on your own, that's your own choice, and do it at your own risk. Have a good day.